guys in today's video. So welcome. In today's video I'm going to teach you guys exactly how you can buy and sell your gift card if you are from Nigeria. Okay, this is going to be a full video. I have proof that I've made more, that I've redeemed my gift card from this website that I am about to show you. If you're first time seeing me here, my name is Samuel. As you can see right here, my name is Samuel. This is a news channel. As you can see, go ahead and subscribe in case at the end of the video you find this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel so you can keep updated when I drop new videos like this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to click on the link in the description of this video. The link is going to take you straight up to this website right here. So what you want to do is you want to get started. And trust me, to get started very easy. So you can see, just log me in straight up to my dashboard, and as you can see my dashboard right here, I have 0 naira right here, but that doesn't mean I haven't redeemed any card before. But if we scroll down in a little bit, I can see here where it says recent transactions. On May 16, you can see the dates. I redeemed a $20 gift card, Razor Gold gift card to be precise, and the amount is 22,500. As you can see, the same day. As you can see all my transactions, and if I scroll down and I hit next, you can see other transactions that I've made in the past. Okay, so this is to show you that this is proof that this website is legit. And one thing about this website is that this website has been for long, but a lot of people don't know this, and a lot of people fall victim. They go ahead and they register for a Ponzi website that just do away with their gift card without paying their money. So this is what you want to do. When you click on the link, it's going to take you here. So I'm going to teach you exactly how you can redeem, which is sell, how you can sell your gift card, and how you can buy gift card right here if you are in Nigeria. And if you are in Nigeria or Ghana, trust me, you are lucky. You are the luckiest person on earth right now as I record this video, because this is a free guy. I'm not taking anything from you. All I ask is you just like and subscribe to keep the channel growing. So what you want to do is, so when you create your account, trust me, creating your account is very easy and simple. So what you want to do, you want to click over here where it says sell gift card. When you click on it, you can see what it shows us. So here's what you have to fill out. You need to select the category. Let me click on that. I can see, let's say I want to go with for this video, let me choose Razor Gold gift card because that was the gift card I redeemed the most. Let's see Razor. Okay, you can see the gift card here, Razor Gold. Let's click on it, and let's say someone purchased it from the United States. I can click on the United States right now and put in the amount. Let's say I got 100. Now you can see what it says. It says 108,000 naira just for $100 gift card. And this is a tutorial. I don't have the gift card now. I'm just giving you an example how this thing works. Okay, so you don't get confused. So what you want to do next is you want to put in the code here. If you don't want to put the code, you can just click here where it says image right here. This place where it says image, you can click on it. Once you click on it, you can see it's going to open right here. Then you choose the image of what you want. Okay, you just choose the image. You can do things like drop, things like that, but I don't want to do that because this is a tutorial. I'm just teaching you guys on what to do. Okay, so let me go ahead and close this. So when you put that there, you just hit on here where it says proceed. Once you proceed, boom, that's all. It's going to take some time for the gift card to redeem. Once it redeems, you are good to go. What you have to do when it redeems is you just go here where it says balance, because your balance will change from this 0 naira to the 108,000 naira gift card you redeem. So you can just click on balance. You can click on balance right here, or just go to your wallet. You click on wallet, then you go to your wallet and you withdraw your funds. This is where you withdraw. Okay, so you don't get confused. This is the dashboard. This is the dashboard that they will show you the money there. If you want to withdraw, you click on here where it says wallet. when you click on wallet, you can see I have my 2 banks right here, my 2 banks where I make the transaction. So what you want to do is you want to either withdraw. Yes, you want to withdraw because you don't want to top up. You want to withdraw, then you withdraw your funds. That's it. Very easy to use. Okay, so the next thing you want to do, you want to head over to buy. Same thing, just click on buy. Once you click on buy right here, you can select your country. As you can see, Nigeria, local Nigeria. You can see it's very easy to use. You don't need to get confused over these things. Let's go ahead and search something like let's check if it will show up here. Let's check for Razer. Oh, you see, it doesn't show up here. So for the buy, in case you want to buy Razer Gold gift card on this platform and it doesn't work, you don't need to worry yourself. Okay, what you have to do is you want to hit on the second link in the video description. Is going to take you to a website. It's going to take you to a website where you can buy gift card. This is the website right here. This is where most of my friends buy gift card for me. Most of my friends that want to gift me, maybe they want me to subscribe my channel or something like that, just gift me gift card. Okay, this is where they buy it. Most times they come here, they buy it. Let me show you the real website. This is like affiliates and about. Okay, very easy to use. This is the most friendly website I've ever seen, and nothing like scam here. So what you want to do, you can see how easy it is. Just put in the card you want to buy. Then you can see where it says buy now. You can just buy now. You add to cart, then you buy now. It's very easy to use. Okay, this is the 2 websites. You can use Cartonic. You can use Cartonic right here. You can use them for selling your gift card, and you can use what's it called, you can use Eneba. You can use this website right here. I'm sorry it's taking time to load, but you can use this website right here called Razer Gold Eneba. I mean, you can use it to buy gift card. Let me go ahead and let's search for something like Razer Gold again. You can see it. I can go ahead and add something like, let's say I want to purchase Razer Gold of $20. Let me go dollar. So go for, you can see it shows me everything right here. See Razer Gold gift card $20. It sold for 29,574.22 in my local currency, which is Naira. Okay, so you can see how easy it is. Let me go ahead and click on it so you see exactly what I'm saying. I don't want you guys to get these things confused, and if at any point you get confused or you don't know what to do, you can always ask me in the comments, so I'll be there right there to answer any of your questions. Okay, so I can go ahead and click on here where it says buy now, and guess what, it's going to take me to the card for me to purchase. I'll put in my card details and that, so you can see right here for yourself. Proceed to checkout, then you proceed. Very easy. Don't get confused. If you know you like this video, you like the one I'm teaching you step by step, I'm not the kind of guy that just come and tell you, hey, this is the website, and I don't show you how you can do it. I try things out, it works out for me, then I'll show you. Okay, if I haven't used Cartonic to redeem gift card, I will not show you how to do that, and I'll show you proof that I've made money in the past. I've redeemed card in the past. And apart from you can also purchase gift card for games. Like some people, they love to play games so much that this people who owns the game, they request for gift card. You can go ahead and purchase gift card. It's very easy. They go here, they purchase the same gift card. Okay, so it's very easy. If you know you love the way I teach you here, please give me a like, and please comment if you have any question. I'll be here to answer you all. I'll be here to answer you. Yeah, so that's it about the video. If you find this video helpful, please give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to your boy's channel. I'm trying to grow. Please subscribe. I really appreciate that. Peace.